Roof deck, uncovered. Elevate your vocabulary. Hello learners! Today, we're going to dive deep into the phrase, roof deck. By the end of this video, you'll understand what it means, where it's used, and how you can incorporate it into your daily English conversations. Before we jump into the combined meaning of roof deck, let's take a moment to understand each word individually. Roof, the top covering of a building, protecting it from the rain, sun, snow, and wind. Deck, a platform, typically made of wood or composite, that is level and open, often extending from a house or building. Now, what do you think happens when these two words come together? Roof deck refers to a flat or slightly sloped surface on top of a building, accessible to the residents or users. It can be a leisure space, sometimes furnished with chairs, tables, or even plants, where people can relax, have meals, or enjoy the view. Imagine being on top of a building, looking out at the cityscape, while lounging on a comfortable chair. That's the experience a roof deck offers. Understanding a term is great, but knowing how to use it in a sentence is even better. Let's look at some examples. 1. The apartment comes with access to a roof deck with a beautiful view of the skyline. 2. We're having a barbecue on the roof deck this weekend. Would you like to join? 3. The roof deck at our hotel was the perfect spot to watch the sunset. And there you have it. The next time you hear the phrase, roof deck, you'll not only know what it means but also how to use it in your conversations. We hope this video has elevated your understanding of this interesting phrase. Keep learning, and see you in the next video.